This is a room tour aboard the Disney Wish. We stayed in one of the Verandah rooms. When you first walk in, there is the switch for the lights. It's right there. You might want to bring a one of an old gift card that you have, because you'll put it right in there and then it can keep the lights on for you all the time. There is also a thermostat up on the wall as soon as you first walk in. You can't really miss that. And then you're in your first bathroom. There is a sign that says caution, watch your step. In our room there was a little step, and you know, you're not at home, so I won't lie, we did actually trip and fall off that a couple of times. Then there is the toilet, which there is the button to flush it, and if you've been on Disney Cruise, you'll know that that flushing makes a lot of noise. So if you have anyone in your party that's a light sleeper, you might want to refrain from hitting that in the middle of the night. There are the H2O. All those are in every room. There's hand soap, shampoo, conditioner. So that's the first bathroom. Wasn't terribly big. I kind of thought it was tight, didn't really like it. But the second one with the shower, that's this one, much bigger. Now the second bathroom, it does only consist of a shower and the sink. And most of your towels will be in here. Now I do have to rate the room service on this cruise was a 5 stars. I have stayed in other ones where you know, it was hard to get clean towels and stuff like that, but no, this was exceptional. So I do give them credit for that. Then we will move out of that bathroom and we're going to walk over to the closet. The closet has tons and tons of room for all of your luggage. There are about 3 different sections to this closet. The first one has a big space that you could put your luggage, if your luggage is big or tall. Then there is the second part that opens, which is more shelf-like, where is the safe, and you can put smaller bags. And if you look on the top, there is going to be a spot for your life jackets. In case you forgot what assembly station you're on, it will be listed on the life jackets, and there will be a life jacket for everyone that is in your room. Now this is the third section of the closet, which is entirely open. It does have the life jackets on the top and plenty of room inside to store all of your luggage. And then that's pretty much it for the closet area. Let's close that. And then we go around and we now check out the television, which of course we already have Mickey playing. Gotta have that. And we look around the room. There is the bed. It is right there. Not much walking space. There are plenty of outlets to plug in your devices. There's charging ports. There is a small drawer that comes out. Light switches. The light. And then we also had a really nice print of from the movie Moana. Every room was different, but I really liked ours. I found that the bed was very comfortable. I didn't have any problem sleeping in it. And luckily we had nice waters, and this was not a rocky cruise. I actually did not feel the boat moving at all until the very last night on our way back. There are also some more charging ports on this side. As you can see, I wasted no time. First thing I do is plug in my devices when I get in. Then we also have over here a giant mirror where you can sit. There are also more charging ports. As you can see, I have more devices plugged in. Now in our room, we did have a pull-out bed. Now I can say the size of this couch that does pull out is really only big enough to fit a child. I did not find it comfortable, and it was not big enough for an adult, I felt. Then you can go out on the veranda. Now, just a word of caution, I'm sure everyone knows, but when you're on vacation and you're sitting out on the balcony, just remember, everyone can hear you and you can hear everyone that's next to you, whether you'd like to or not. Now, this truly was beautiful that you could sit out here and have the table, and I can honestly say there was so many things to do on this cruise. For the length of time that we were just out there talking, that's about as much as I sat out there. I definitely love the safety locks. It's easy. If it's green, it's open. If it's red, it's locked. And that's it. It is very high up, and the children cannot reach it. So I definitely felt safe that no one was going to get out in the middle of the night. The door stays locked, and you can sleep soundly. So that's it. That is pretty much the extent of our room. I really enjoyed the room, and so did Fox Cruise Info. I hope that if you're sailing out soon on the Disney Wish or any other cruise ship, you have a wonderful time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Bye.